Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by obtaining your API key and placing it somewhere your code can read, like an environment variable or secrets vault. Once done, install the official SDK for your language and verify it runs with a simple version or ping command, because that confirms network and key validity. Make sure to set safe permissions on the key and avoid pasting it into logs. This first step gets you from 0 to a validated client ready for requests. Next, construct requests that balance cost and quality by selecting model, max tokens, and temperature. This drives output style. Once done, implement batching or streaming for large inputs and code retries with exponential backoff for rate limit responses. Make sure to set content type and authorization headers and to serialize JSON correctly. Otherwise, requests fail silently. Also log request ID and durations for debugging, because that helps trace slow or expensive calls during testing. Finally, parse and validate model output before showing it to users, removing unsafe content and normalizing formats like JSON or dates. Then instrument usage metrics and spending alerts so you don't exceed budgets, and implement graceful fallbacks for latency or errors. If responses break, check logs for request ID and payload, adjust prompt or temperature, and retry where safe. One troubleshooting tip: when behavior is inconsistent, lower temperature and add explicit instructions. This often stabilizes output.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.